Jim, are you going to talk? What is it? What is it? What is it? What are you going to say? Are you going to talk to Jack? Are you going to talk when he comes back? Huh? Are you going to talk to him when he comes back? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? Come on.
Why don't you take it and show Jamie? You can just take it alone and show Jamie by itself. Jack, who are you sitting next to?
Jamie.
Oh, how's she doing?
She's good.
Yeah?
Jamie, what are you doing? Are you painting?
No.
What is she doing?
She's just hanging out.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm painting.
What are you painting? What's that picture of?
It's a picture of you are going in the waterfall.
Oh.
Is Daddy going in the waterfall?
The picture of Daddy going in the waterfall?
No, it's not.
Oh.
It's the waterfall.
It's just the waterfall. I see.
It's a blue waterfall. It's a blue waterfall, Mom. See? I'm still painting the waterfall.
That looks great. Jane, what are you doing?
She's just hanging out and moving her hands and her toes and her head and her eyes and then I tickle her and that makes her laugh.
Jamie. Hi. Hi.
Mom,
Do you like that song?
Can
Was it a thumbs up song?
No.
No. Alright, well let's see. Oops.
See?
What's this going on? Okay, let's listen to the next song. Ready? Whoa. Here's a good one.
Wow. That's a nice bicycle.